Welcome back to Keeping Up with the ConversaSpainers. Last month, we met our stars, and now they welcome us into their homes away from home through an apartment tour video. Let's start the journey in Madrid. Knock, knock.
Hi, Conversa Spain. My name is Jess, and welcome to my crib. Follow me. This is the living room and where I spend most of my time. This is my closet, a desk, a nice little living area with a little table, couch, and chairs. We have another desk, a nice little view. Today is raining, so we get to enjoy the rain, and some flowers. Over here this way is some simple small decorations. One of my personal favorite is my little Polaroid and some pictures I have that make the apartment feel like home. And one of my other favorite decorations is this little astrology pictures. I'm a Cancer. Welcome to the other side of the apartment. On the left is my room, and on the right side is the bathroom. Now, straight ahead is the kitchen. This refrigerator has some cool magnets of all the places we've been. Concluding our tour, I bring you to the other side of the kitchen. Over here, we have a table where we can have some breakfast, a cute little cilantro plant that we recently bought, and an interior patio that lets you dry your clothes super easily. Well, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye guys.
Okay, hey, it's Lauren. I'm gonna do the apartment tour for this month, and I'm with my roommate Nora. She's also a ConversaSpainer. We live together, it's super fun. So I'm gonna start with my room. I have a little balcony, which is so fun, and it overlooks onto Paseo del Prado, and we have all the Christmas lights now. From there, we exit the room, into like a little hallway, and then we have like the games slash like TV common room. Like Nora and I were playing bananagrams, so we have it moved over, the table moved so we could play our bananagrams. We start decorating for Christmas a little bit. We have our tree, the little TV, and then the kitchen, it's super big. 2 fridges, you know, very fun. And then just like the coat area and our door, and then down the hallway is all my other roommates' rooms, and then just, you know, the bathroom. Okay, that's it. Bye.
Hello. I'm just getting home from a half a day at school. I spent the day substituting and teaching an English class and a science class for first grade. I wanted to show you guys my home. I live with a family in a room. I have my own room, and I'm really grateful to be here. So let me show you around real quick. Here we have the shared kitchen, and I have a laundry. We can wash clothes, there's no dryer, but that's very Spaniard. The kitchen is perfect for me. I have my own space, my own cupboards, and an electric stove. We have this really cute living room. They're feeling super festive, which I'm so grateful for. And this neighborhood is actually surrounded by parks, which I absolutely love. I have my own bathroom, which I share with guests that come and go, but for the grand reveal, here is my beautiful sacred space, my bedroom, and I'm happy. In order to keep my mind right, I keep affirmations up around my room and notes to myself to keep myself grounded and keep myself going. I'm here to build better habits, deepen my self-love, and continue to spread mindfulness. And so this is what helps me have a little bit of life in my room, reminiscent of the desert. I am from Cali. And of course, I have my 2 amigos, Antoinette and Toast. They keep me company at night because I'm a cuddler. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. It's definitely been an adjustment living here. I don't have any heat or air conditioning, but my rent is cheaper than most. I'm grateful for this opportunity. I'm learning so much patience and like strengthening my communication skills in English and in Spanish. And It's a journey to say the least, but it's cool because I'm just getting to know myself on a whole new level. So thanks for checking out my crib or whatever. Sending love and light your way. Thanks for keeping up with me. Again, ciao. Hasta luego.
And now, let's check the perfect nests that our auxiliares found in Murcia. Hogar, dulce hogar.
Hello, welcome to my house tour. So this is the main entrance. And you go over here, you'll see the kitchen. In the kitchen is the laundry room. Now we don't have dryers because in Spain the electricity is super expensive. So most people just hang dry their clothes. This is one of the bathrooms, and this is the main bathroom. That bathroom we have a shower. Here's where we eat our food and hang out. There's the living room space, and the terrace is over there. And then here is my bedroom. And here is my roommates. That's it. Now I have to sneeze because I'm sick, so bye.
And here is our little apartment. Here's the entranceway. And there's Sarah. Hello. And our little living area. So you've got a beachy kind of vibe. Here we are. Here's a tiny little television. Some stuff over here. Here's our wee balcony to the outside, to the street. Here we are. Hola. And the beach is just like 2 streets away. Around here, here's one of the bedrooms. Nice bedroom. Yeah. Into the little kitchen, fridge, laundry. Here's cool. It's small, but it's use the space quite well. So bathroom. Here's the shower. Quite a big shower. It's a funny bidet thing. Won't be using that. Here's another bedroom. It's a bit smaller. Good wardrobe space. So it's a cute little house. Yeah, so we've started unpacking a few little things and go to the beach shortly because it's so beautiful, and cook some dinner here tonight because we've been eating out all the time. We just went to the supermarket and bought a whole load of food and it was like $30, so it's very cheap to eat and live here. Okay, adios.
Next stop, Castilla-La Mancha, where our auxiliares are ready to welcome us into their beautiful apartments.
Hey, come on in.
Welcome to my house, baby, take control now. We can't even slow down. We don't have to go a while. Welcome to my house, play that music too loud. Show me what you do now. We don't have to go a while. Welcome to my house. Welcome to my house. Morning comes and you know that you wanna stay.
Hey everyone, it's Kaelyn, and today I'm going to show you my apartment.
In Castilla y León, our auxiliares are making beautiful memories within their Spanish apartment's walls. Thank you for inviting us to your homes. Who else cannot wait to watch where this journey takes them? Stay tuned for new episodes and vote for your favorite auxiliar at the link in the description.